6369 Coral Flower Court. There are 2 dogs in the backyard, so I won't be going back there. The yard needs a one-time cleanup. It's nice to have a screen door, but definitely touch up this door frame. Tile at the entry. Tile throughout the first floor. The walls are blue. I couldn't get that light to turn on. The blinds are a little rough, so although they are the correct 2.5-inch forward blinds, I wouldn't assume that they wouldn't necessarily have to be replaced. The cabinets are showing a little bit of wear. It could just be dirt. Maybe it can be cleaned off. So we have concrete, rocks, and a patio cover, so that's good. Hi. I know. Hi. Okay. Oh, I know. Okay, so this is the paint job. You can see the lines in various places. So this may be a repaint, also just to give the house a cleaner, updated, fresh feeling. This flooring looks good. Yeah, definitely a repaint. There's no lights in here, but the flooring appears to be in good condition, and the blinds in this room look fine. Tile in the laundry in its own separate room. Jenny likes that. Linen closet off of the pantry. Off of the laundry room. Flooring looks good. Replace those light bulbs with non-curly ones. We don't have the blinds on any of these 3 windows. It's a large master closet. Let's replace that light fixture. It's kind of odd that it's a single sink in the master. You have all this extra space. See what Jenny says about that. Also, I'm not positive about the flooring being installed correctly. Ron would be able, the inspector would be able to tell.